Hello dear learners, I am Professor M. Masoom Raza from Department of Library Information Sciences, Aligarh, Muslim University, Aligarh. So in the previous lecture, I told you about the TQM, I told you about the principles of TQM, I told you about the advantages and disadvantages of total quality management. And even I told you the hurdles of total quality management. What are the hurdles which really hamper the implementation of total quality management in any organization? And I also told you about the TQM philosophies by different quality management philosophers. So in this lecture also, we'll be discussing some philosophies, TQM philosophies given by different propounders. So in this lecture, we'll be discussing about the total quality management philosophy of Philip B. Crosby, then Kaori Ishikawa, Armand Genichi, and Shigeo. So we'll see in detail what were their total quality management philosophies and how it had been helpful for our quality management. Coming to the fourth, because three we have already discussed, three philosophies, management philosophies we have already discussed, and there's a fourth philosophy by Philip B. Crosby. So Philip B. Crosby made significant contributions to total quality management with his focus on the concept of zero defect and his emphasis on prevention rather than detection of defects. Crosby believed that defects are preventable and that organizations should strive for perfection in their products and processes. He coined the term zero defects to represent this philosophy, advocating for the elimination of errors and defects from the outset rather than relying on inspection or correction after the fact. Crosby's approach to quality management emphasized several principles, and few of the principles you can see. You can see in the circle. Number one is quality is free. Crosby argued that investing in prevention and quality improvement ultimately saves money by reducing the costs associated with defects, rework, and customer dissatisfaction. Second principle, do it right the first time. Crosby promoted the idea that organizations should focus on getting things right from the beginning rather than accepting errors and defects as inevitable. Third, four absolutes of quality management. Crosby outlined four principles that are essential for achieving quality excellence. Number one, quality is defined as conformance to requirement. It should conform to the user's requirement, number one. Number two, the system for achieving quality is prevention. Number three, the performance standard is zero defect. And number four, the measurement of quality is the price of non-conformance. Fourth, the quality improvement process. Crosby advocated for a structured approach to quality improvement, which involves identifying quality-related problems, determining their root causes, implementing corrective actions, and establishing measures to prevent reoccurrence. Next, we can see what are the 14 steps for quality improvement given by the Crosby. So what he said that the same, like the Deming, he gave the 14 steps or the 14 principles. So similarly, the Crosby has given 14 steps for quality improvement. And what are they? First is management commitment. This clearly expresses management's dedication to quality. Number two, quality improvement team. Establish a team responsible for leading the quality improvement efforts. Number three, quality measurement. Implement systems to identify and evaluate non-conformance issues objectively. Number 4, cost of quality. Defines the components of quality costs and utilize them as a management tool. Next, quality awareness. Foster a culture of concern for product or services, conformity, and company's reputation regarding quality. Next, corrective action. Develop a systematic approach addressing identified problems effectively. Next, zero defect planning. Prepare for a formal implementation of a zero defect program by examining necessary activities. 8th, supervisor training. Provide supervisors with the necessary training to actively support the quality improvement initiatives. 9. Zero Defect Day. Create an event to demonstrate a tangible change in quality perception to all employees. 10. Goal setting. Encourage individuals and groups to set improvement goals based on commitments made. 11. Error cause removal. Establish a method for employees to communicate obstacles preventing improvement. 12. Recognition. Acknowledge and appreciate those actively participating in the improvement process. 13. Quality councils. Establish regular communication forums for quality professionals to engage with the workforce and management. And the last, do it over again. That emphasizes that the quality improvement journey is continuous and never ending. So these were the 14 steps for the quality improvement given by Crosby. The second management philosophy given by Tqm Ishikawa. You can see Tqm Ishikawa has given the is a prominent Japanese quality management expert known for his significant contributions to the field of quality control. So Ishikawa's diagram, that is cause and effect diagram, you can see. So he developed the cause and effect diagram, also known as fishbone diagram or Ishikawa diagram. This tool is used to identify and visualize the potential causes of a problem or quality issues. It helps teams to systematically analyze the root causes of problems and identify areas for improvement. Number 2, 7 basic tools of quality. Ishikawa identified 7 basic tools of quality that are widely used in quality management and problem-solving activities. These tools include flowcharts, scatter diagrams, Pareto charts, histogram, check sheets, cause and effect diagram, control charts. Ishikawa emphasized the importance of mastering these tools to effectively manage and improve quality. Next step is flowcharts. Flowcharts visually represent the steps of a process, helping to identify inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and opportunities for improvement. Next step, scatter diagram. The scatter diagram shows the relationship between two variables, helping to identify patterns and correlations that may exist between them. Next step is Pareto charts. Pareto charts prioritizes problems or issues by displaying them in descending order of frequency or impact. They help focus improvement efforts on the most significant issues. Next, histograms. Histograms provide a visual representation of data distribution, showing the frequency or distribution of values within a data set. They help identify patterns and variations in data. Check sheets. Check sheets are simple data collection tools used to record the frequency or occurrence of specific events or defects. They help gather data systematically for analysis. Next, cause and effect diagram. Cause and effect diagram, also known as fishbone or Ishikawa diagram, visually depicts the possible causes of a problem or effect. They help identify root causes and understand the relationship between different factors contributing to a problem. Then control charts. The control charts monitor processes performance over time by plotting data points and establishing control limits. They help distinguish between common causes and special cause variation, enabling proactive process management and problem prevention. Feigenbaum is best known for his pioneering work in total quality management, particularly for his concept of total quality control, TQC. This approach emphasizes the integration of quality management practices across all aspects of an organization's operation, involving every employee in the continuous improvement of quality. Additionally, Armand introduced the concept of hidden plant, highlighting the inefficiencies and waste present in traditional manufacturing processes that could be eliminated through quality improvement initiatives. He also made significant contribution to the understanding of quality cost, categorizing them into prevention, appraisal, and failure costs, and emphasizing the importance of investing in prevention to minimize overall quality related expenses. Feigenbaum's philosophy can be encapsulated in 3 steps to quality. So you can see the diagram here, the 3 steps to quality, that is quality leadership, modern quality technology, and third is organizational commitment. So what is quality leadership? This involves proactive planning by management rather than reacting to failures. A constant emphasis on quality and leading the quality effort are essential components of quality leadership. Number 2, modern quality technology. Feigenbaum recognized that traditional quality development processes may not adequately address a significant portion of quality issues. Integration of office staff, engineers, and shop floor workers to continuously evaluate and implement new techniques is necessary to satisfy future customer needs. And the last of all, organizational commitment, that is continuous training and motivation of the entire workforce, along with integrating quality into the business planning stage, demonstrate the significance of quality, and provide the framework for incorporating it into all aspects of the organization's activities. The next philosophy by Genichi. Genichi made significant contribution to the field of quality management, particularly in the realm of robust engineering and quality improvement. And his contribution includes Taguchi method. This Taguchi developed statistical methods for improving the quality of manufactured goods while reducing variation and cost. These methods emphasize the importance of designing products and processes that are robust to variations and external factors, rather than simply meeting specifications. Number two, robust design. Taguchi's three-stage of product development, known as robust design, offer a methodical approach to creating products and processes resilient to variations beyond the engineer's control. The stage include system design, parameter stage, and the last is tolerance design. Let me tell you what it is. System design. Engineers collaborate with marketing to understand product requirement and customer needs. In the second stage, parameter stage, engineers define how the product should perform across specific parameters, aiming for cost effective manufacturing despite variations. And the third stage is tolerance design. Engineers set tolerances around desired specifications to balance manufacturing costs and quality losses. Third, quality loss function. Taguchi introduced the concept of the quality loss function, which quantifies the financial impact of variability and deviation from target specifications. By considering the cost of quality in terms of deviations from the target, organizations can make informed decisions about product and process design to minimize overall cost. Then coming to Taguchi's philosophy, Taguchi promoted a holistic approach to quality improvement that involves all stakeholders, including designers, engineers, suppliers, and customers. He emphasized the importance of preventive measures and continuous improvement in achieving high quality outcomes. So, the last philosophy we'll discuss by Shigeo Shingo. Shigeo Shingo was again a prominent figure in the field of manufacturing and quality management, particularly known for his contributions to the Toyota production system. And some of his contributions are Pokayoke. Shingo introduced the concept of Pokayoke, which means mistake proofing or error proofing. Pokayoke device are mechanisms or systems designed to prevent errors or defects during the manufacturing process. This concept emphasizes proactive measures to prevent mistakes rather than relying solely on detection and correction. Single minute exchange of die, SMED, that you can see here. This Shingo developed the SMED system aimed at reducing setup or changeover time in manufacturing processes to less than 10 minutes. By minimizing downtime associated with changing tools or equipment, SMED improves efficiency and flexibility in production, enabling faster response to customer demand. Third, just in time, JIT. Shingo played a significant role in refining the JIT production system, which focuses on producing goods only as needed, thereby reducing inventory levels and associated cost. JIT, just in time, aims to eliminate waste and improve efficiency by synchronizing production with customer demand. That is a key principle of total quality management. And the last is Kaizen. Shingo emphasized the importance of continuous improvement, known as Kaizen, in manufacturing processes. He advocated for empowering frontline workers to identify and implement small incremental improvements in their work areas, contributing to overall efficiency gains and quality enhancement. Shingo's contribution to manufacturing and quality management have had a profound impact globally, influencing practices in various industries and emphasizing the importance of innovation, efficiency, and continuous improvement. So, dear friends, we have seen the philosophies of different management gurus, different quality management gurus, and what we have seen that almost all of them, they are emphasizing on three, four important elements. What are those three, four important elements? That is continuous improvement. Means almost all the Tqm Gurus, they have emphasized on the continuous improvement. That is Kaizen. Means this is something important as per the Japanese philosophy. If you are not improving continuously, means you cannot flourish in the market. You cannot sustain in the market. And ultimately you have to die down. Number two, total involvement. It also focuses all the philosophies by different propounders. We have seen that they focus on another important area, that is everybody should be involved. Means the motivation, the capacity, and their efficiency. These all are related. If the employees are motivated, all are involved, all are together, they feel that we are empowered, they feel that it is our work, we have to achieve it, we have to do it, then only efficiency and effectivity will improve. Then only your product or your service will be able to attain a benchmark. So, second most important thing is total involvement of all the employees. Means everybody should be involved. And third most important element of total quality management is user satisfaction. Because as I told you, to measure the quality, this is one of the important indicator. When you want to measure the quality, user satisfaction is one of the important indicator which helps you in measuring the quality aspect. So if the users are satisfied, less variation, less defects, and when you have less defect, less variations, so you have a better output, and if you have a better output, so definitely your productivity increases, and when your productivity increases, your profit increases. So this is how the product or the process or this service sustains in the market. So user should be satisfied at any cost. Means customer should be satisfied at any cost. If the customer is not satisfied, not happy with your products, not happy with your services, then definitely your market, your service, your product or your process is not going to sustain in the market. You will be eliminated out of the competition. Your product or the process will be eliminated from the market. So definitely when you want to sustain, just believe on these three things. The major philosophies: total involvement, continuous improvement, and third is customer satisfaction. If you believe on three principles, in general, you are trying to master the art of total quality management for your organization. And ultimately, it will lead to enhancement of your output, enhancement of your efficiency. Thank you, friends.